Welcome back to Auto Fusion, the home of car enthusiasts where every curve, line, and engine roar gets the spotlight it deserves. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Toyota Corolla, a sedan that continues to evolve while staying true to its legendary roots. With decades of reliability behind it, the 2025 model carries forward the Corolla legacy but with a bold, aerodynamic edge that makes it stand out in a crowd. Let's start with the front fascia. Toyota has given the 2025 Corolla a more aggressive look, showcasing a wider, lower grille that not only enhances airflow but also adds a performance-inspired character. The newly sculpted LED headlamps are sharp, almost blade-like, slicing into the body lines with precision and giving the front end a high-tech appearance. Integrated daytime running lights now trace a unique signature line, making the Corolla instantly recognizable even from a distance. Moving along the side, the Corolla's silhouette remains sleek and compact, but Toyota has refined the proportions to achieve a more dynamic stance. The beltline sweeps upward with purpose, while the slightly lowered roofline adds a sporty, coupe-like profile. Sculpted character lines run from the front fender to the rear taillights, reflecting light in motion and emphasizing the Corolla's new athleticism. Wheel options range from 16-inch steel designs to bold 18-inch alloy wheels with a two-tone machined finish that screams style and performance. Flared wheel arches subtly suggest power under the hood, even before you turn the key. Now let's talk about the rear. The taillights have been reimagined with a sleeker, more angular design, linked by a gloss black trim that visually widens the car and ties the rear design together. A subtle lip spoiler has been integrated into the trunk lid, enhancing aerodynamics while adding a sporty flair. The lower bumper now features a more refined diffuser look, hinting at performance heritage, even on this practical sedan. Toyota offers an updated palette of exterior colors for 2025, including Solar Octane, Blue Crush Metallic, Celestite Gray, and a new premium option called Crimson Night Pearl. Two-tone combinations with a contrasting black roof are now available on higher trims, giving buyers more ways to customize and stand out. Underneath the surface, the Corolla's body structure continues to be built on the TNGA platform. This translates into not just a strong, safer frame but also lower ride height and improved center of gravity. That means better handling, more responsive steering, and a driving feel that's connected to the road. From the front grille to the rear diffuser, every design element on the 2025 Corolla's exterior has a purpose. It blends modern sophistication with a hint of sporty rebellion, all while maintaining the practical DNA that made the Corolla a global icon. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up highways, the 2025 Corolla makes a bold visual statement at every turn. So if you're looking for a compact sedan that offers more than just efficiency, one that turns heads without shouting, the 2025 Toyota Corolla might just be your perfect match. Stay tuned to Auto Fusion for more in-depth reviews and walkarounds of the hottest cars of 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Fusion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.